Book of Heaven, Volume 2, June 19th, 1899. Instability and doing good. Yesterday, having gone through a day of purgatory because of the almost total privation of my highest good and because of the many temptations that the devil put in me, it seemed to me I committed a lot of sins. Oh God, what pain to offend God. This morning, as soon as I saw Jesus, immediately I said to him, "Good Jesus, forgive me for the many sins I committed yesterday," and I wanted to tell him all the evil I felt I had done. Interrupting my speaking, he said to me,
"If you make yourself disappear, you will never commit sins."
I wanted to continue to speak, but Jesus, making me see many devout souls and showing he did not want to hear what I wanted to tell him, continued saying,
"What most displeases me about these souls is their instability in doing good. One little thing, one disappointment, even one defect is enough. And while that is the time when it is most necessary for them to cling more to me, they instead become irritated, they get disturbed, and they neglect the good which they had started. How many times I have prepared graces to give to them, but in seeing them so unstable, I have been forced to hold them back."
Then, knowing that he did not want to hear anything of what I wanted to tell him, and seeing that my confessor was not well in the body, I prayed at length for him, and I asked Jesus various questions, which it is not necessary to say here. And Jesus benignly answered everything, and so it ended. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.